Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to remove the front end. We're going to remove this plastic trim piece on top of the radiator support, as well as this plastic trim piece on the intake. This one is held by 8 push pins. This one is 4. The way you remove these push pins is actually by pressing down on them. So when you press down from the top down, it unclips, and then you can just get it out. So these 8 have been removed, so I can lift up and put this away. All right, so now the one with the intake tube. There's 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 of them removed, we can go ahead and lift this up. On the passenger side, there's 3 harnesses, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to disconnect them. I'm going to squeeze the top and pull them apart. That's 1. And this one, squeeze and pull. And the third one's on the bottom, squeeze and pull. So now we can remove the 3 10mm bolts that are holding the grille from the top. The driver's side wheel well, we're going to remove 3 10mm bolts. There's one on the bottom, one here, and if you feel it, there's one vertical. So now we see these 2 clips here. They have slots and they're in vertical position now, which means they're locked. We're going to move them from vertical to horizontal. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver just to kind of unlock them and bring them out. Those are 2 pins. We can peel back the inner fender and separate it. There's a tab on the bottom. I have my index finger on it. If you push on it, there's a little unlock, so that way when you unlock it, you can push it out. So there's a little tab that you're trying to push towards the back of the truck. So I'm going to reach in here, press on it, and kind of take it out. With the bottom clip unlocked, you can go ahead and pull on it, and it just comes off. So now there's a bolt here that we have to remove. It's a Phillips. So now we got to pull in the corner to disconnect the fender from the bumper. Now we can do the same thing on the passenger side. So on the passenger side, we're going to do the same thing. 3 10mm screws. So align these clips horizontally, and we can take these out. Now we can peel back the inner liner. So I'm going to find the clip on the bottom. I'm going to press towards the back of the truck to unlock it. And now we can just pull on it and everything comes off. And just like the driver's side, there's a little screw here, Phillips screw, that we're going to remove. I'm going to pull on this side so that way it unclips. We're going to remove this air dam. There's 5 10mm bolts in the front and then 2 on each side. There's 4 more 10mm bolts. One of them is under the fender liner in the corner. There's one black one right here. Pull on the front grille. And this is how you remove the front end from a 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please check out our other video where we're going to be installing some light bars behind the grille.